Yeah guys, I'm currently testing this PowerTop smart battery charger which I got from the seller to show you how nice this works. It's a smart battery charger with a lot of automatic functions, but we have also some manual functions. I think it's pretty easy to use. I have already used it for a little bit and it fully convinced me, so I'm going to show you just a couple of functions, not everything but just the basic functions. You can also see when it's turned on and nothing connected, then it gives us this really nice instructions. So we don't have to deal with a lot of instructions. It's pretty much plug and play. And we get also this quick start guide. This is absolutely amazing. Explains everything in 30 seconds. But we also get the full instructions manual. By the way, model is BC0253. And what we are usually doing, we start actually in the unplugged mode. And then we connect the clamps. Here I'm starting with the plus. And then the minus doesn't matter, it's offline anyway, as you can see. And then I'm going to plug in the battery charger. You can see nothing is going to happen, but this doesn't mean it doesn't work. It's just waiting. I mean, you can also start it manually, but if you don't do anything, after 30 seconds you can see now it starts and it shows exactly what it's doing. It has many different stages or possible stages, and depending on the battery analysis, these steps are fully done or skipped or just shortly used, exactly what the analyzer is detecting. And so now it has detecting a gel battery. It's charging with 14.1 volts with 25 amps, and you can see current charge is 50%. And yeah, it's definitely charging this battery here absolutely amazing. And while it's charging, we can also press, for example, this button here to see where we are here. Here it's in the bulk charging mode where it's doing the heavy lifting. Now we can see the voltage has come a little bit down, showing that the battery is really soaking up the juice. Of course, instead of using the automatic mode, we can also, for example, stop it here. We can switch to different battery types, but of course then you have to know what you are doing. So here it's the gel, definitely. We can also switch between the different amps. You can see, can manually choose here between 2 amps, 10 amps, 25 amps, cycle back, and really at any time we can start, stop, we can change settings, we can even activate winter mode for a little bit more charge, activate a dedicated desulfation, can instantly start this or also stop it again. And we even have an additional starting mode. This can deliver some extra juice. If your battery is not totally dead, then maybe this could be enough. And now if I don't do anything, it will go into start again, charging this battery. Yeah, absolutely amazing. Worked right away out of the box. Was really pretty intuitive. It has some active cooling. You probably heard that. When we are charging with higher amps, then it's usually activating the cooling here on the side. When we are charging with lower amps, for example with the 2 amps, then usually the fan turns off after a little bit of cooling. And of course also big plus here with this smart battery charger is that it's only charging as long as the charge here is needed, and when it's detecting that the battery is full, it will automatically stop charging to prevent overcharging, because especially here with these lead acid batteries we don't have any built-in battery management systems, and so it's absolutely awesome when we can rely on such a smart battery charger. What's of course also important to see that the battery is not overheating and I can't feel any heat at all here. That's also very important, something which only a smart battery charger can test or actually observe. Based on the voltage they can detect what's going on in the battery, and if they see that the power actually is not really properly absorbed from the battery. The battery charger will then stop charging. And if you just have a normal bench battery charger like we have here, this doesn't have the capability to detect such things. So if you have to charge a lot of car, boat or other 12-volt batteries, this could be a great plus. Also showing you here the safety function here. When I unplug it while it's charging, you can see now of course it has stop. It says I have to put the clamps on. So this is not the normal way. I'm just doing this to show how intelligent this charger is. So I'm adding here the minus and adding the plus clamp here again. And now let's see what it's doing. Of course, it shows the current voltage here. And after about 30 seconds, it goes into this automatic detection mode, checking everything and then going into the normal full charge again. Yeah, this is exactly what we want to see. And so this is about 1 hour later. I can feel it's warm, but definitely not hot. How does it look here? Shows 97% full. If I would wait even a little bit longer, would then even go automatically into trickle charge. What does it show here? Yes, still on the 7, probably number 8 would then be trickle charge. And what I also like is that it's very robust. I have been connecting and disconnecting a couple of times in the power on and also in the power off mode, and it didn't damage anything. So it looks like we have really a lot of protection here built in. So I think this can last really long. Comes also with this handle here, really solid device here, nicely built. Has even some soft rubber feet down here for a secure stand. Yeah, absolutely amazing. I love this thing. And so it's a full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this PowerTop smart battery charger, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.